Finally see some garbage trucks coming down the bridge. I finally do. And I finally see a garbage truck coming, heading off to down the bridge. I'll back up a bit. Whoa, it's 724. That's the truck that collects recycling. Expert 2000. 724 Expert 2000. That's the truck that collects recycling. And it's called Busty Solid Recycling. And we finally caught one garbage truck, by the way. Busty Solid Recycling truck number 724 Expert 2000. It's one of the trucks that collect recycling. It's right over there. You can barely see it, really far away. And we already caught it on video. And don't worry, there'll be more coming down. And there'll be more garbage trucks coming down, heading off to the Wednesday route. Don't worry. There will be more coming soon. There will be more coming soon, don't worry. Holy frick! There's more garbage trucks headed off to the Wednesday route. And here they are right now. All headed off to the Wednesday route. Oh, there's like 4 of them. So cool. Let's see what number are these on the truck. Hey, that's truck number 314. That truck collects garbage. That's truck 502. That truck collects garbage. And I barely see truck 15 right there. That truck collects garbage, recycle. And there's truck 214. Truck 707. They're all heading off to the Wednesday route, guys. Bye, garbage trucks. I hope you enjoyed collecting garbage recycling on the Wednesday route. Bye, garbage trucks. Let's see. I find out there's more garbage trucks heading off to the Wednesday route. Bye, garbage trucks. I hope you have fun on the Wednesday route. I hope you have fun collecting on the Wednesday route. Bye. And let's find out if there are more coming down there, by the way. Let's find out. And did you guys enjoy that video so far? Garbage trucks heading off to the Wednesday route again. Did you guys enjoy it? And if you guys want to see more garbage trucks videos in the future, let me know and comment down below. And stay tuned for more garbage truck videos coming in the future. And bye bye for now.